Guys, welcome back. Today I'll be going to show you I have found a Gcam for Redmi 9 Prime. So let's start the video. So you can see this. I'm having a Gcam port. So this is a. Let me remove the background of all the things. Actually, MIUI doesn't clean very fast. So let me click on it. Actually, this is the best Gcam I ever seen because it gives us to access all three sensors of our phone: wide angle, ultra wide angle, and macro shots. Actually, there is one another sensor option will available, but it doesn't work because it is a depth sensor. It switches to the depth sensor and the image becomes negative, so it doesn't work good. So it's my humble request, don't use that. So I will see that I'm seeing that the pictures are quite good, and it is the best Gcam I have ever seen for Redmi 9 Prime. So let us see. This is 1x for our main sensor, and now if you click 0.9x, you will switch to the macro lens. Now you can see this is the macro lens, and if you select 0.8, the image becomes negative and it switches to depth sensor, which doesn't work quite fine. So if you switch to 0.5x, then it shifts into ultra wide angle sensor. So the stock camera ultra wide angle is not good as compared to this ultra wide angle of Gcam. So let's see. So there is many options available. You can click on flash. You also can enable HDR enhanced. You can use Google AWB. You can also use timer as you want. You can also use videos. You can also click videos from all three sensors except this 0.8 because it doesn't work. So if you can see this, I can shoot this at wide angle also, and I can let it be removed automatically. So I can switch to 0.9, and if you see that it switched to wide angle, I can also take videos from wide angle. And if I switch to 1x, means our primary sensor, you can also click videos from that. Here is many options available. You can use FHD, 30 fps and 60 fps, and you can't use 4K because this phone's processor does not override to 4K and it doesn't support. And you can enable flash from here as if you want. And one thing I want to tell you, its selfie camera also works. Some of the phones selfie camera doesn't work quite good. Here you can use selfie camera for to take videos. You can also click portrait photos, and here is many options available. You can use face touching as you want, and you can also enable HDR plus and Google AWB according to you. You can also shoot portrait photos from your macro lens. You can see this. You can also take portrait photos from your wide angles too. If you switch to night sight, it works good. You can take good photo from night sight too. You can see this. Actually, it doesn't open because I'm using default Gcam Google Gallery. So if you switch to 1x, you can also take night sight. 0. macro shot, you can also take night sight. From portrait, I already told you. From camera, and there is many options available for us. There is panorama and photosphere by which you can take 360 photos according to your mood. You can also take many other photos, sample shots from it. And if we go to settings, we can see there is options like save locations, camera sound. Is normal options available here. Advanced options is available here. Here you can enable show dirty lens warning, RAW plus JPG. I can use. You can also select grid type. I select golden ratio. You can select also photo's resolution. If you go for a higher resolution, your photo size will become too much big. According to your mode, you can choose. You can also use OIS. I know that OIS, this camera module is not having OIS, but you can go for it. You can also enable focus trapping. You can also enable front camera resolution of video. So it depends on you. And this is the whole thing that I take from it. And I also take much sample photos to identify the differences between the stock camera and Google Camera, so by which you can easily differentiate between which photo is natural and which gives a better and clear photo. I also share all the sensors photo, so you can easily find. So thanks for watching my videos. Guys, stay tuned and stay safe and stay at home.